Hello ClickOnCare family, today we are going to learn how to use Fasderma Glycolic K combination peel. This is a full body peel. So first of all you need to cleanse the area. For cleansing you can use Fasderma pre-peel cleanser. To cleanse the desired area, all you need to do is spray 3 to 4 times on it and wipe it out with a clean ball or a cotton pad, so that there are no dust particles left on your skin. To apply the peel you need to pour 2 to 3 drops of Glycolic K combination and using a brush or with your hands gently massage the area so that skin absorbs it, and keep it for 20 minutes to dry. Once the desired area is dry, you need to clean it with a cotton pad or a ball. You can use pre-peel cleanser to do the same. As you can see, the before and after results are in front of you, and these are just after one application. The product can be purchased from ClickOnCare.com, and in case you have any queries, you can always call us.